Hello everyone, I am Gautami from MarvelSoft. In this video, I am going to give a brief explanation about how to restore SchoolAdmin database when Windows is reinstalled or when you want to migrate your database to paid version of SchoolAdminCE. Here are some of the tips to before install the latest SchoolAdminCE. The first point is you must uninstall any previous version of SchoolAdminCE before installing SchoolAdminCE 2024.1a+. The second point is or you must install SchoolAdminCE 2024.1a+ in a newly installed Windows 10 or above system. And the third point is you must have backup of SchoolAdminCE database in a pen drive or external backup disk. The last point is you should have SchoolAdminCE 2024.1a+ or above installer. Only SchoolAdminCE 2024.1a+ or above supports automated database restore operation. Now I am going to show how to restore the data backup folder. So double click on latest SchoolAdminCE 2024.1a+ installer. Now the notification will display, that is, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Then click on Yes button. Then click on Next to continue. Then click on I agree. To install in a different folder, click to browse and select another folder. Then click on Next option to continue. Now choose the installation mode. If you want to install or reinstall SchoolAdminCE with a backup database which you already have, so select option 4. Restore from backup location. Then click on Next button. Then have to browse to select the data backup folder where previously saved backup data folder is there. Ensure the data folder is not empty and double click on data folder, then click on Install to start the installation. If data folder has valid database, you will get alert message saying valid data restoration folder restoring your database now. Then click on OK. Now the software is installing. Click on OK. If the data folder is not valid, the installation will stop and you have to cancel the installer and restart the installation from the beginning by ensuring you select correct data backup folder. So now the SchoolAdminCE software is successfully installed. Thank you for watching this video.